Hello children, welcome back. Hope you're doing well. Today we will start with the second lesson from our history section, India Events After 1960. After independence, India needed to solve issues of economic, political and social development. The establishment of planning commission and emphasis on industrialization was a means to achieve economic development and to reduce poverty. Successful elections and faith in democratic traditions made it possible for us to achieve political stability. Several social reforms, including policies and programs for the weaker sections of the society, were sought to be implemented. Let's see some important events of 1960s. Goa, Daman, Diu made part of India. Now Goa, Daman and Diu were under Portuguese rule. The territory was incorporated in India in 1961. However, it was only in 1987 that Goa was granted statehood. Daman and Diu were made into separate territory. Indo-China War 1962. Now China is not willing to agree that McMahon Line is an international border. Now what is McMahon Line? It is the demarcation line between Tibet and northeast region of India proposed by British and agreed upon by British and Tibetan representatives at the 1914 Simla Convention. Now China claims that area south of Aksai Chin and McMahon Line, which is Arunachal Pradesh, both are marked on the map which you can see on your screen. So the tensions between India and China because of this border dispute led to war in 1962. Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru. Now Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru was the first Prime Minister of independent India. He is the architect of India's foreign policy. He contributed to social economic development of the country. Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru passed away in 1964. After the death of Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru, Lal Bahadur Shastri was made the Prime Minister of India. Now he gave the slogan Jai Jawan Jai Kisan, emphasizing the importance and contribution of the farmers and those who fought to protect the country. Lal Bahadur Shastri died in the year 1966 after signing the Tashkent Declaration. Now, when Lal Bahadur Shastri was the Prime Minister of the country, India and Pakistan went to war in 1965. Now, the war was over the region of Kashmir. Now, on your screens, you will see two maps. The first one is of British India. The light green ones are the British provinces which were directly under the control of British, and the dark green ones are the princely states. The one in grey are other countries. So Kashmir was created in the year 1846 by the British after the first defeat of Sikhs. Its population was 77% were Muslims and it shared a boundary with Pakistan. So it was expected that the ruler would choose to merge with Pakistan. However, by 14th-15th August, when the ruler hesitated to join Pakistan, Pakistan launched attacks on Kashmir to scare the ruler and to incite opposition in case the ruler decided to join India. However, the ruler turned to India for help. Now on your screens, if you see the second map is after independence. Now we see different countries that were formed. We can see India marked in orange, we see the West and East Pakistan which is marked in green, Ceylon which is Sri Lanka marked in yellow, and we have Burma. Now Kashmir is separately marked. This is the area which was the reason for dispute between India and Pakistan. So when Pakistan launched its attack on Kashmir, the ruler turned to India for help. and he agreed to merge with India instead of Pakistan. Now, Indian soldiers entered Kashmir and drove the insurgents out. The 17-day war caused thousands of casualties on both sides and witnessed largest deployment of armored vehicles and tank battles since World War II. The war ended with United Nations mandated ceasefire. After the Soviet Union and United States intervened and subsequently the Tashkent Declaration was signed by India and Pakistan. Children, we will stop here and continue in the next video.